As Alabama sees a surge in COVID cases, we wanted to take a look at one of the earliest weapons we had in fighting the spread of the virus: contact tracing.
Wait 31's Alex Perez joins us live now after speaking to the state health department to find out if it's still happening near you. Alex.
Yes, the state health department is still conducting contact tracing. They've actually never stopped since the pandemic began, and that's because COVID is a reportable disease, and they want to make sure that they have a sense of how this virus is impacting Alabama. But because of some COVID surges, the state health department has had to take a step back with its efforts.
There have been times when the number of cases outstrips the capability of ADPH to do contact tracing in all situations. So sometimes it has to be prioritized in certain counties or in certain situations.
Now, towards the beginning of the pandemic, you may have remembered a contact tracing app called GuideSafe. Now, that app used to notify you when you came in close contact with someone who tested positive, but Dr. Wes Stubblefield says he's not sure whether that aspect of the app still works. He says that the app now mainly focuses on helping the CDC monitor any side effects with the COVID vaccine.
Now, Alex, with more at-home tests becoming available, what should people do if they test positive?
Well, Nicole, those at-home tests, the state health department says they're very reliable. So if you do test positive, chances are you have COVID. And here's what you should do after. First, let your doctor know. That way the state health department has your case on record. Then make sure you reach out to everyone you've been in close contact with when you started showing symptoms. And that's because if they do get it and they're asymptomatic, chances are they are spreading that virus to more people without even realizing it. Finally, do some research on your risk factors and make sure you monitor yourself. If you're starting to feel chest pains or worried about your breathing or even notice that your oxygen levels are low, make sure you go to your doctor and seek some care just to make sure that it's nothing serious. Reporting live in Huntsville, Alex Perez, Wait 31 News.